Hey, you don't have to get on the ground.
It's fine. I'm sorry.
Just relax.
I'm sorry.
There are two main points I would like to bring up about today's video. The first being, the officer who you are about to watch is a brand new officer to the street. This is only his second week in field training. So some of the observations you might make is that he is a little bit slow to make decisions, and he is incredibly sympathetic to the suspect that he's placing under arrest. But don't worry. After years of working the street and dealing with drug addicts night after night after night, this is something he will grow out of. The second I would like to point out is that this is an excellent example of proactive police work. The officers were on routine patrol, observed a bike that did not have proper illumination, stopped the bike, found out the person riding the bike had a warrant for their arrest. During a search incident to arrest, they discovered felony narcotics in the form of methamphetamine. This is how proactive policing is done.
83. I got a bicycle violator on Broad and Stevens. Ma'am, what's going on?
Hi, I'm sorry.
Here.
No, I'm okay. I'm okay.
All right, first off, you okay?
I'm sorry.
What's going on, man?
I'm happy. Sorry.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Breathe.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Breathe. It's
I'm
all right.
Okay.
Okay. Hey, listen. Ma'am, the reason I pulled you over is two things. One, you're riding on the sidewalk on a bike.
Yeah.
You gotta be in the bike lane, okay?
Okay.
And two, you gotta get a red flashing light on the back of that.
I got the reflector. Sorry, I have the reflector. I'm sorry, you guys. Fuck, I hate doing that. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. Breathe. It's all right.
I'm sorry. Shit, I'm sorry. Okay, cool. Sorry. Hi, James. Hi.
All right, here, take a deep breath. It's okay.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I think I have
All right, ma'am, do you have your ID on you?
No.
Okay, that's all right. Yeah, I'll get your name.
Okay. I might have a warrant for unpaid fine, but it's just an unpaid fine.
Okay. All right, man.
And I've been working.
It's all right, man. We're going to take it one step at a time, okay? What?
I really want to go to jail. I've been trying so hard, please.
I'm not trying to take you to jail right now. I'm trying to figure out who you are.
I know, Cynthia Turner, I know, but I'm just telling you, I might have, I don't know if I do or not. I just went to court. My probation just got terminated last week from Judge DeBardo, and God bless you, I'm sorry.
It's okay, Cynthia.
I'm sorry.
It's all right. Breathe. All right.
I don't want to go to jail, you guys. I really don't, because I've been working hard and trying to pay this ticket. I really have.
Okay, Cynthia. Well, let me get your date of birth, okay?
It's 2/14.
2/14.
Yes.
Well, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Okay, what's your SOCH?
I really don't.
Cynthia, I understand, okay?
I don't, and I know it. Please.
All right, right now it's just a bike violation, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I'm going to just go check some things. Stay right there, all right?
He's just going to run the checks and we'll get you on your way as long as you don't have any warrant for anything. But
I know, but I don't know if I do or not.
We'll find out here,
Even if I
Cynthia.
do, isn't there something we can do, right?
Well, we'll see what's going on first, okay? Go through the records.
Please. I'm sorry. I just really don't want to go to jail, you guys. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. Breathe.
For a paraphernalia charge.
Okay.
So, it's $214. Go figure, that's my birthday, 2/14. Ha ha ha.
Oh, yeah. Valentine's Day.
Get love. But yeah, so hopefully, I just don't I've been working all week this week, so come Monday, all week last week, come this next Monday when the homeowner comes through, then she's gonna pay us because we finally got to clean out and stuff. So then
Yeah. Okay. Well, it sounds like you're working on stuff for sure. Where do you work?
Huh?
Where do you work?
I've just been doing like some under the table some under the table work and working on this bando over on Yale.
Okay.
280 Yale.
Didn't we arrest you on the tracks?
What is it?
Didn't we arrest you on the tracks by the...
Yeah, I'm not over there no more.
Where you at now?
Huh?
Where you at now?
I'm staying with a friend over here. But I'm off of that. I got that all taken care of. I'm off of probation. Like, so I got my probation terminated last week and everything. So, like, I'm doing way better. You know?
Whose bike is that?
Huh?
Whose bike is that?
Wesley's.
Is that your friend?
Yeah. Sorry.
It's okay.
Like, God bless it, guys. Like, is there, like... Okay, sorry. I really don't want to. I really don't. Not over, like, an unpaid fine. Like, I really don't. Like, I really don't, you guys. Like, not on my birthday.
Like I said, Cynthia, we're just verifying stuff, and right now it's just a bike violation, right?
You have an unpaid
8-3, can you copy 50 info?
You want to put your jacket on? You
Yeah, it's a little chilly.
No, I'm hot.
You're warm?
I'm feeling. Please, just let him reassign me. Please, just let him reschedule me. Please. Please.
Have you used anything tonight?
No.
You seem a little
No, I'm
amped up. You're
manic.
withdrawing.
I'm manic. I don't withdraw from anything. What's a relay? To take me to them?
No, not necessarily. She's just following up.
Oh, but that's what the relay is, right? Is to like take me to them?
No,
Or is
not
that-
necessarily. She's just following up with their people and doing their thing, okay?
Are they?
You sleepy?
No, I'm trying to lower my
okay.
anxiety.
Yeah.
I'm freaking out, you know.
Those boots look warm.
They are
Those leather pants?
polyester and spandex.
Nice.
What's a relay?
Johnny, you got another unit? No.
Misdemeanor.
Okay. All right. So they want me.
Yeah.
Cynthia, yeah.
Chill out.
It's okay. It's okay. Cynthia, it's all right.
Please, you guys, please.
It's not up to us.
It's not
No,
up to
you
us.
guys, this isn't fair.
It's a
No.
minor misdemeanor.
yeah.
Okay? It's a misdemeanor. Okay.
No, man, no, I don't want to go to jail.
I know.
No.
Cynthia, come on.
Okay.
Hey, you don't have to get on the ground.
It's fine. I'm sorry.
Just relax. It's just
Okay.
It's just what they find, a pipe or something. It's
Yeah,
fine. It's just
yeah.
it's equipment.
Okay.
It's not a felony or anything. It's just
I know.
it's just a ticket that didn't get paid.
Okay.
You're fine.
Okay.
Just relax.
Okay.
You're gonna sit with us for a little bit. We're gonna have a female search. You don't have anything on you, right?
No, you guys can
Anything
search
in your
me.
purse? Or
I don't. No, that's just something I just found. I don't even care about that stuff. I know you can leave it on the side of the road. I don't want it.
No, we can't do that.
It's not mine.
Whose is it?
It's not mine. It's literally a purse I just found.
You were riding it.
I know.
There's something in there, Cynthia, that you don't want us
If
to
it's
know
just
about.
pipes or needles, we're not worried about. Is there
You don't want us to know.
anything that's good? We don't want to get hurt. We're gonna suck
No,
the needle
no.
or anything.
Oh.
No, you don't think?
No, there's stuff in there.
Stoked in there.
Yes.
Thank you for being honest.
And I just got off probation for it. And I really, like, seriously, I just don't, like,
Pat her down.
yeah.
Pat you down real quick.
Okay, this is fine.
Anything sharp that I gotta be worried about? Hey, do you have needles on you?
No. Is this a female?
No,
No.
he's
But
gonna take
no,
care
I
of the
gave you
bike.
consent. I know. Okay.
Well, we're just gonna pat you down. We're not gonna search you.
We're not full circuit.
Okay,
Right
wait,
now.
so-
Right now we're just looking for anything that could hurt us or you. Okay?
What is a relay? I have to go to them.
Well, we've got to see. Okay.
Okay,
We
like
gotta
maybe
call
we can
them still.
reschedule. Like maybe I
We
can
still have to
reschedule
call
them.
them,
Okay.
okay?
All right. Hey, Ron.
You don't have pockets, do you?
No.
Oh,
No.
she's got green. misdemeanor 50.
Okay.
You know?
Where do you want your bike to go?
No,
That's
just,
good.
No, wait a minute. Just throw it
We're
away.
gonna just set you in the car. It's
Throw it all
warm
away.
anyway, okay?
Throw it all away.
Get in the car. Get the camera with the light on.
You guys just arrested my husband too, didn't you?
Did we? Oh, I don't know.
Douglas.
Here,
Will you turn on the radio for me?
I'll see what I can do. Okay.
Trying to help my partner.
Can I get the water that's in my personal?
Let us
Or maybe the
figure
water
this
from
out.
your door, maybe?
Let's get this
I'm just really
sorted out first.
Maybe I can get the water from his door.
There you
Do
go.
you think you could turn the radio on for me,
See
please?
what I can do, okay?
Please. Okay, I'm not trying to be difficult. I'm really not.
You're not
you
being
guys are.
difficult.
You guys
You're
are gonna
just
try to
upset.
maybe get it rescheduled for me.
We're gonna see what we can do, okay?
Well, maybe. Okay, like, I'm sorry. Like, I'm trying to be honest. I'm trying to not. I'm not trying to freak out.
Here,
Like,
I'm gonna shut this
it's my
real quick, but I'll hear
birthday.
you up
Like, I
here,
didn't
okay?
even get my birthday dinner yet.
This is not.
Oh, that's a pretty nice fit.
Meth?
Oh. Cynthia. There's another one of those foils. Empty.
Still putting the paraphernalia? Yeah. Good job. You got yourself a night ender.